Hi. What's up? I'm back.
And better than ever.
So normally I don't like to really address when I've not been making some videos for a long period of time or whatever. But this time it's been like 2 months, and it's not like I'm like established, like I release videos like every whatever, but it's been 2 months, and I just want to let you guys know that like I'm back, and college applications have been the literal death of me, which explains precisely why I have not been making YouTube videos, because there is not a singular moment that I could have done so. Well, the last couple of weeks I have been pretty lazy, but regardless, I'm going to be making a video about the college application process so that you guys can see what it's like, because I literally had no idea what I was getting myself into. And I applied to a dozen colleges, and I'm still probably going to apply to more, and that's just like way too many, and the applications are so expensive. So I'm really gonna like make a video and try to help you guys out, because it's just a mess. I did it wrong. I want you guys to like do it right. So yeah, anyway, today I'm gonna be making a video about something fun. So I know all of you have seen at school or like on Pinterest or whatever sneakers with like designs all over them, and people doodling on their sneakers and their Air Force Ones, like Emma Chamberlain. A lot of times though, like the ones at school are just, I don't like them. I don't think people do a good job, or if they like them, then good, that's amazing for them. So I wanted to do it on Air Force Ones, but Air Force Ones are so expensive. I don't understand how like people have that much, like they could just buy and then like draw over it and possibly like ruin their shoe, which is over $100. I can't. So I went to AC Moore, which if you don't know, it's like a craft store. I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm pretty sure they have that everywhere, but to be honest, I don't know. So anyways, and I bought these literal $7 pair of shoes. $7. And yes, I'm a size 10. My feet are ginormous. Okay. Anyways, so I actually wore them a couple times because I don't have any plain white shoes anymore, because Converse don't work for me anymore, and I wear Vans. So now I'm a skater girl. Okay, but seriously, these are only $7, so I feel good about myself drawing on them, because whatever. So a couple weeks ago, I literally was so not necessary in that sentence point. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you what I did with one, and then I'm gonna do the other one with you today, because I think that would be fun. Okay, so and also, okay, wait, so first, so this is the one. So on this side, I really like galaxy vibes. So for this one, I just did like literally a mountain range, because mountains are fun. It's just green, and then like it's super simple. I'm not an artist, so and then I did like little whatever, like I don't know what, a planet. I made a planet, and then stars and a circle. Okay, then this side is more fun, and there's a lot going on. And first of all, I don't know how I made flames this amazing. So what I'm here to tell you is that flames are super easy to make. It's honestly so simple. If I can do it, you can do it. I just looked up flames and then kind of like went off what they were doing, and whatever. Then I did this little drippy thing that says dope, and like bubble letters, even though like I had to go over it in like 400 different colors, because it like literally kept being bad, but you can whatever, barely even read it, but it's fine. Then on these things, on these little circles for the laces, I did planets around them. Well, like kind of. This is like supposed to be a ring, and then this is the sun, and then I guess Earth, but it's kind of messy, but it's fine. And then I did an eye, which is like purple, and oh look, I, Captain. So yeah, that's what I did for this one. I'm really proud of it, actually. I haven't worn it in public yet because I haven't done the other one, but it is cool and fun and quirky and unique, and no, I'm kidding, but like, yeah, whatever. So also, I posted this on my story, on my Instagram story, at Catalina Enriquez. And literally right when I posted it, someone from my school swiped up, and she was like, "Hi, can I please interview you for like the school newspaper? I'm doing like a piece on like people that like play with their designed shoes or something, or like design their own shoes, and I was like, okay, I don't do that, but I did it now, and now I'm doing it for you guys. So okay, let's like get right into it. So I'm gonna move this down. We're gonna look up some things on Pinterest on my computer, and then we can decide together what I should draw on this shoe. It doesn't have to match, obviously. Oop, because who cares? The vibe I'm going for is kind of like Tumblr, trendy, but basic, like a basic vibe. Like, I mean, flames, come on, like, come on now. Okay, so I'm gonna look up I'm gonna do a quote, I think, on this one, but like on the inside, so like not everyone's gonna see it and it won't be judged. I'm gonna use the quote in my Instagram bio because I just saw one that says do it for you and not for them, which I like, but my Instagram bio is be you, do you, for you. So I'm gonna use that. So let's see what color. I think I'm gonna do this one. So it's like a neon peach thing. Okay, well first, I like to go do it first in pencil and then like kind of outline it a little bit because you can't really like see it, but then just to be safe. So it. Okay. Oh, my dog is barking and I don't know what at. I'm home alone. Everything gets 10 times creepier when your dog starts barking and you're home alone. Okay. I think I'm fine, hopefully. It's probably gonna look bad here, but oh wow, that looks so bad. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna go over it now. Okay, I did it. Is it gonna be like backwards? I don't. Okay, whatever. Hopefully not. But okay, yeah. So be you, do you, for you. Okay, so now we must continue decorating. Okay, so the one that I'm gonna do is like a girl closing her eyes. Just include it here, but yeah. And we're gonna see how this goes because it's kind of cool, and I'm not sure if I can execute this, but you know what? Just gonna try. If it doesn't work, I'm not sure how I'm gonna cover it up, but it's fine. Okay, I don't like hate it. It looks kind of good. I mean, I drew a snail. Oh, that's so cute. I really like that. Now I'm gonna do a couple little hearts and then I think we're done with this side. Okay. So yeah, I made some hearts and I did the snail and I think we're done for this side. It looks fun, I think. And yeah, I'm not going to do any more. Okay, now we have to think of what to do for this side. So, I'm thinking maybe like waves since the other one's like a flame. Okay, so I made the outline. Look, I know I'm not an artist, but it's fun. I really recommend doing this if you like want to, even if you're not an artist at all, because clearly I am not, and I'm still having a good time and just going with it, and I think you should too. And it'd be fun if like I wore these out and someone was like,
Oh my god, your shoes look so cool.
and I was like, thanks, I made it myself. What's that TikTok? Like, I said thank you, I designed it. Like, you know, that'd be fun. So yeah, I kind of just did some drops. So yeah, that is the shoe. It's kind of like the same vibe as that, honestly. So maybe I'll do the same thing and just make the galaxy above it. Okay, so yeah, I did that and I made the little galaxy. So it's literally just like this with that. So I like that a lot and I'm super happy with the way these came out. So now I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna do a little like lookbook thing while I'm wearing them, okay? So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look with my new fun shoes that express my creativity and individuality, then give this a thumbs up and like it and comment and subscribe to my channel and whatever you want to do. And yeah, I'm going to I mean, there's no links to put. It's literally just AC Moore, and then I got these from AC Moore also, actually. These are really good highlighters. I recommend them a lot. They're like, they look like these. So yeah, so thank you for watching. I'm literally out of breath from showing off my sneakers, so let me know how that makes sense. Oh wait, I have to do like a thumbnail. Oh god, okay. I'm going to like, how do I do this? How do I do this? Oh my god, okay. Bye.